Hello, my name is Mr. Carlton, and I am the Industrial and Engineering Technologies Academy leader. Students in this academy tend to be focused on learning ways that we can create and execute plans in order to build or find alternative solutions to problems. They're systematic in the way they troubleshoot. These students are often the inquisitive tinkerers who are curious about the way things work. The kinds of classes that exist within this academy include engineering, drafting and architecture, construction, woodworking, and automotive. Most construction and automotive options become available at the junior level and are supported by other course focuses such as engineering, drafting, woodworking, or even some beginner ag classes from the Natural Resources Academy. Engineering courses exist at each grade level with a variety of focuses and include unique engineering design experiences at the senior level. If your interests lead towards building, design, measurement, mathematics, and executing a plan, I think that the Industrial and Engineering Technologies Academy may be a good fit for you.